Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lai. Now, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Shadow Fight 2 na may cheated mode. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, hindi ko na-record ang lahat ng mga pinagagawa ko rito pero naka-links na tayo. Siyempre, magre-record pa rin ako para dito kay Hermit, tapos Butcher hanggang dito kay Shogun. So, let's start beat this boss. Grabe, Hero Bride. Si bro ay Hero Bride. Tara, kakalabanan na natin ang isang final boss nila. Ay. So guys, meron yung nunchuck dito. Sorry sa spoil. Sige, di mo kaya. Good. Di mo kaya, Lods. Oh, naku. Okay. Sige, Lods. Ano, Lods? Bakit? Tumba niya eh. Ito na ba yung links niya? Oh, nang kwento. Oh. Patay. Mamatay ah. Pero okay lang yan. Shit. Ay, so. Patay ko sa takedown. Basic naman nito. Napaka-basic. Ay, ito lang. Tingnan ito lang. Diba? Pero huwag siya mamalakas sa sanay pa yung naman. Ba't na ano? No, masusurik yan. Lawag ko na itong mamalatin guys kasi alam nyo na yan. Kasi ito yung final boss ng tawag ito. Shadow Fight 2. Ba't di nyo ako? Alam ko kali. Ito yung final boss. Di nyo ako pilot ko. Ayun lang, patay ako. Aray, ay nabomba na naman. Patay ako, Lods. No, Lods. Hindi mo kaya, Lods. Oh no, ayun na nga. Ayun na, may bomba ulit. Oo nga, mahirap nga siya, Lods. Okay na, patay na ako, Lods. Bye-bye. Nakaisa siya, pero siyempre hindi yung ipagdala hindi ko pababayaan siya na manaka siya doon. Siyempre ay din gagalingan natin. Anong ginagawa niya? Oy, ipatay na ako, Lods. Siya ay naging invisible. Oh no. Oh, ay na, may bomba ulit. Naku po, patay na ako. Ay, atras muna kasi di ko siya nakikita. Sige, ay naku po. Ayan, patay talaga ako. Nakaisa pa siya rune. Pero okay lang yan. Babawiin ko ang kanyang score. Manonood ako sa links. Babawiin ko ang mga imong alagad. Yaga ang final boss ng tawag dito si Shadow. Yes, ako ang final boss ng Shadow. Boss ka lang ng mga ninjas. Oh no. Bakit tayo papaisa doon, Lods? Diba? Yun lang. Ganun na siya, Lods. Hala. Hindi mo paisa dyan. Saan siya? Hi. Masabay sa inyo, Lods eh. Alam mo kung ano yung pagpapalakas sa akin? Ang pag-asa. Ay lang pagpapalakas sa akin. Hindi itong mga weapon ko, kundi ang pag-asa. Kung saan umasa ako na mananalo ako, patutulungan ko ang mga civilians. Ito, Superman. Where are you, Batman? Oh, ilang bombo ko lahat. Patay na ako. Patay na. Wala na ang pag-asa. Ay, mayroon pa pala. Kaya anong ginagawa mo, Lods? Ako ay isang Superman. Patay na ako. Ba't mayroong poison pagdating sa round 3? Patay na ako. Yep, ang pug. Hindi Yet na alam kung pangatin na natatalo to si Lynx kasi sobrang lakas niya para sa akin. Wait lang. Anong piling ko dito guys, espada. So ito na lang. Blood Raider. Yes sir. Siguro naka-cheat na naka-cheat na ako noon Ito ulit round 2. Yes sir. Hindi na patalo ulit kay Lynx kasi may panabago na akong weapon at lakas ang aking spiritual. Papatay siya. So guys, na-realize ko lang kay Lynx, tuwing nakakapag-score ako, tumataas yung kanyang power level. Tapos kagawin na bawal yun Gilod. Oh no, ay no, dito ka mananalo. Okay guys, mukhang seryoso kayo ko to Ito na. Serious mode. Sinungot yung binabasa ko sa manga. Ito, si Takamura. Yan. Tayo ay si Takamura. Matitikman niya ang kapangyarihan ko. Isa akong matanda na mayawak ng espada pero maitim. Hindi, joke lang. Siya ay shadow pala. Siya naka-shadow mode. Tumbagan siya. Mamatay siya eh. What? Patay na ako. Mukhang di ko to talaga to kaya. Ano na lang. Limiting guys. Mukhang magpapalevel pa ako hanggang 10 levels para makuha ko. Never mind. Let's go. Naduguan siya eh. No time to waste. Ano yun? No time to waste. Ano to? Hard. Nga pala ito guys, yung istorya ni Sensei. Tara, continue na natin. All clans does work that is too dirty even for the gods. We solve problems and correct others' mistakes. And you are one of these. Kami? Ay, Sensei pala. Ba siya na sa amin. Tara. Kakalabanin kita kasi kasama ako dyan, diba? Kasama rin kita. Hehehe. Kasama rin kita, Lods. Oh no, nakarang yung kit. bakit may ano, passive, passive, ano tawag ito? Oh, careful, sheesh, what, ba't may passive ako dun? Ba't mayroon akong ano, enchantment, oh, meron akong bleeding batawad, okay, wala siyang damage, and voila, peaceful. Wasing nahiwa siya, lods. Nalagad ako. Ito si Lynx yung nakalabang ko kanina. Yung current Lynx ngayon mas malakas siya kumpara sa dati. Ito yung nakalaban ni Sensei, oh. Yung Prime Lynx. I can't just live, I already been paid for Prince life, nothing personal here, old man. Alright Lynx, I'm gonna beat you. So nothing. I'm gonna show you who's the strongest. Okay, plus damage. You are none of this. Get out. Diba tulog ko. Ba't napakalambot Lynx kumpara sa ano? Dahil Soya. What? Okay. Dua sunod. Dua. Ay, may bomba rin pati dito. Dahil bawa lang ako. Let's see. Wasa. Oh no. Si bro ay na one shot. Let's continue. Thank you Nobel for view who will stand up for someone they don't know. I thought that was new for these people. Know nothing of mercy. I've learned something I wasn't supposed to my shoulders. Study forbidden practice under a certain hermit. They wanted to remove me as a witness. I took a unit of men to him in order to make things clear, but I was taken captive. Whoever Lux was still on my side, and I could escape. Too many coincidence. Someone knew of all this and warned the bandits. But how is she? How is the hermit? And boy, we have to learn this. Let's go. Okay, did hermit. Okay guys, mukhang tapos na ata dito. I need to finish Lynx. Just hold up a second. Absorption. Inaabsorb niya lahat ang damage. Tapos lang madadab sa aking walang permanent damage sa aking katawan. No more injuries. This is why I pick damage absorption, because it's better than regeneration. Remember that. Now I'm gonna show you the strongest Lynx. You just get beat by my sensei. So I'm gonna beat you like my sensei did wrong grammar. Kaya pa sa English, so sorry. Alright, that was ayun yung first round. Ito na yung list na upgraded na logs. Okay. Pull siya, okay. Tapos sa lods. Okay, lods. Okay. Pull sa lods, sa pull to. Oh no, okay. Tapos siya. Ito na yung Lynx na full upgraded na. Ibig sabihin, may siya invisible, shuriken, bomba, blood potion, nandito lahat na. Let's do this. Let's beat Lynx, bro. Let's beat Lynx. Yes! Natalo ka ni si Lynx. Not a chance. Di mo kaya, Lynx. Ninja Hunter. Now. A mysterious blue seal won from Lynx in deadly combat. One of the 6 parts of the key to the Gate of Shadows. Blue seal, guys. Nakuha ko na. Ayun na, guys. Act 2. Secret Path. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You're here for Hermit competition. No doubt, stand in line. Though you'll never get a chance to try. Okay. Thanks, welcome. What is this? Unbreaker. Okay. Kukunin ko to. What is this? Success. Ito kinuha ko. I don't need this, bro. I should know it carefully. So na ang blue seal, guys, nakuha ko. Uy, download. Okay, guys, fast forward. Who are you, kid? Yung yo bro, may get out. Your fighting style differs from anything I've ever seen. Please let me be your appearance. Only you can show me the path to real mastery. Okay, who are you? Okay. Ooh. Kaya hi, kid. What's up, kid? What's up, kid? You don't know me. 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 Okay, let's go adventure na. Uy, ano to? Wow. Pero di ko kailangan niya kasi wala siyang enchantments. So I need that. I just need to upgrade this. Boom, 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 and boom. Finish. That's it. Tapos na. All I just need to buy you for one of the collection. O nga no, di ba pag nabit ko na sila, mayroon akong shuriken. Ooh, shuriken. Ano nga to? Throwing daggers. Maganda to. Bronze armor. Yes, sir. Uy, ito rin longhorn. Meron siyang overheat. What am I yapping about? Try natin to. Right now. Ano ba to? What is this, bro? Seriously. What is this? Ay po, ganda rin to. Okay. Okay, tanga pala. Naka-hermit na tayo. So, what are we gonna do now? Easy. Hold up, take a second. I'm gonna take this first. Because this is my favorite. Never mind, I'm gonna take this. Dili ako to yung kamukha niya nasa lol. Yung sumisipa. Si bro na one shot. Wasin. Ayun, nasa pulo ko ron. Okay lang yan kasi everyone always get hurted. What am I yapping about? Wala na naman ako kaya. This is so easy. be challenged to return to a previous province and fight its leader to get this unique weapon. Alam ko na to, links. Tara, kunin natin itong weapon niya. Kasi alam kong may bomba to eh. Oh, sabi sa'yo guys eh. Impossible difficulty. Lighter. I am weak to fight him. Wait, hindi yun nakalabang ko ah. Kung sa Hero Arc 1. Why are you here? What are you doing in Secret Arc 2? Tuloy siya pa daw. Oh. Si Luna ay matay. Sobrang dami ang tuko sa kanya. Kaya lang malalakas. Yung pagpuntahan ko. Yung anong siling ito hindi. Kumbasalod eh. Napapalevel up lang ako. Now, level 8. Let's do this. Si Lucky pero unlock kasi nakalaban niya ako. you are lucky because you fight me. Now you will lose, bro. I told you are unlucky. Anong ginagawa mo niya? Ito parang ibang weapon niya na. I never seen that before, bro. Sapul. Patay. Sapul siya, tulong, at patay. I remember something more. Shall we return to the story? No, the story. Okay, what story is this? Last time, last time I was telling you how I've saved Prince from killers. I've learned that a hermit was secretly training his soldiers, so that was where we went. Sensei Story Part 2, Shadow of the Future. Hermit. You are between a rock and a hard place, my lord. I admit having betrayed you. I had no choice to. I do for the future of my school is at stake. Leaks this arrogant youth hasn't coped with his task. I have to do his task. This disciples front and center. Lotus. Change is immense. I've crossed half the world to learn it. Sacrifice so much. Master, wisdom is all what is all that I have. Fight. You're gonna fight Sensei. You could win this, bro. Mag-surrender ka na. Surrender. Go surrender. Dahil sa body. Yeah. You will never win, bro. Just give up. Shuriken. Shuriken. Boom. Boom. Shuriken. Okay, bye-bye. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Bro, sleeping. Oh, sasulaw na. Oh, sasulaw na. Pero walang damage. I am Mawaraga. Oh. I'm sorry pa nga. Ano naman sila ba? You should not understand too. But, may lamok kasi. May lamok eh. Store ko eh. Diba? Kasi pero mo yung lamok. Buhu! Napun siya eh. Medyo naging ako seryoso. Tapos yun. Sayo na dedo. Okay. Hamburger? Ay, hindi pala. Harbinger pala. Master told us about the world of shadows, about its dwellers and its imminent, imminent powers. He shared with us. Do you think I let you take this all from us? Hamburger versus Sensei. Hamburger. 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 Let's fight this. Siya naduguan. Siya naduguan. Pumbasagad nito. Babay na. Ang angas ng ano niya, post pala. Yes bro. So cool bro. Padas. Pero di mo kaya kasi mas malamig ka pero mas malakas ako. Diba? Ganyan lang yun. Nagtalo na ako, Ludes. Oh no. Rush. Oh. Ang dami siya. Oh no. Oh no. Atras. Okay. Diyan nagkakamali, Lods. Diyan ka nagkakamali. Diyan ka talaga nagkakamali. Diyan ka talaga nagkakamali. Tapusan mo na. Diba kasi sabi sa'yo, Lods maangas siya pero mas malakas ako. Ay lang nang sisipot sa dalawa. Patagin normal. Hermit. You are a victim of circumstance. Prince, a sacrifice did for common good. My school shall attain greatness, and the golden age for martial arts shall begin. Hermit versus Sensei. Bro, slow to good, bro. Si Sensei yung nagmimiwing, tapos si Hermit hindi. What the? Ano yan? What are those, bro? Itong mga violet flames. Ano yung mga violet flames na? What are these? At least ito na use powers. Because that's ayun yung nakakita ko sa kung saan kailangan mo patay siya. Kaya kailangan mo tuloy si Hermit para makuha yung powers. Okay, siguro. Okay, I think I cook. Okay, it's done. But okay. Ba't ang tagal? But bro, I think the game's crashed. Hello. Okay, pupos ko muna, I'm gonna fix something. Ano to pause? Okay guys, nasira kayong laro. Nagkano siya, Lods, nag-freeze. Ito na nagbalik dito. Sensei, shame on you, selling your honor outright. And what for? Do you think people shall follow a traitor leads? Is that a good sample for the young? Hermit, try to understand or art is at its end. In order to survive, it needs to change. I know how, when Shogun promised me protection for training his men. Prince, my men! Placing him at the head of my army was a mistake. If you still have a last minute, at least a mite of honor, please, of honor, tell us where the bandits camp is. Butcher dwells with his gang not far from here. They were your kidnappers, sir. Go, I wish you finding your answer. Oh, now we are here. Let's beat this. Wala lang. I'm gonna take my weapon. At nakatek na pala. Let's go. Let's beat you. Perfect. Perfect. Wee. Gilod. Yes, di mo kaya. Oh no. I am sensei. What am I saying? Seriously, blood. Not bad. Ooh, elbow strike. I have Neo, bro. You're not you. Tama ba yun? Ay, pala. Yes, sir. Elbow. Double C. Tommy. Yes, sir. Baya tayo ng shuriken, guys. Ito na. Pwede na magbato ng ano. Ng matatanim na bagay. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Tara na. Talunin ng isang mga bodyguard ni Hermit. I don't know who you are, so I'm gonna beat you. Ba't parang kamukha shadow? Best looking shadow. Beat you na, bro. Wow. Ano yun? What's that, bro? Is it hardy? Wow. Oh, natama na ako na. I'm getting hit. I am invincible. Tawag siya lang to. Kasing wait lang. I'm gonna use my elbow. Mali yun eh. Pulpaking balls, bro. Kaya ano yung balls yun? Elbow. Elbow. Ako kayo na wrestling. Walang elbow. What? Si bro ay namog ko. Kahit ako ay my team. Ay ano pala. Kahit ako ay shadow. I can't believe you beat me. Hermit came here with nothing yet. Okay guys, hanggang dito na naman na ating video. Salamat sa panonood. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please follow and like and subscribe pala. Peace out.